Okay, I just got my new NeoAir mattress. Air mattress and super light camping setup, so I gotta go test it out. So I am gonna go fly camping up in the mountain and go try out some of this new camping gear. Okay, here I am on top of a mountain, fly camping. Only takes me like 15-20 minutes to get up to the top of this mountain. It would take you all day to hike here. This is the coolest thing ever. Unbelievable. So awesome. Let's go set up a tent. Okay, here we are. World's lightest camping gear. Let's check this out here. So, this is the world's lightest tent. That's not it. That's the water bottle. Tent right here. 1 pound. 1 whole pound. That includes stakes, everything, fly, all of it. A 1 pound tent with poles and everything. And it even includes the bag. Okay, here's the new high-tech air mattress. This is the NeoAir Extreme or something. Thermarest. That thing's awesome. NeoAir. This is the brand new design, so it's lighter than the other one. Oh, got a fork for breakfast here. And okay, don't need this quite yet. Let's go get this tent set up. Here we go. Let's find us a spot to set a tent. I want to have some brush around me to block any wind that kicks up, but I want a good view this time. Let's get a nice, cool, awesome view. Got some brush around me to block some wind. Not too shabby. I'm up on top of the mountain. And I guess if I set up looking that way, I'll have a heck of a view. Ernie. That is awesome. Check that out. Look at that. Okay. Here's my trusty Dominator. I think I'm gonna pull that right in the tent with me and stuff it on top of me. I am at 8,320 feet. On top of a mountain. Just came in and landed. Very little wind. There's only maybe 2-3 mile an hour of wind when I came in and landed. So came in no problem, piece of cake. Got my campsite here. And this is awesome! Look how much gas I got left. I only used like 1.5 inches of gas to get all the way from that side of the lake all the way over here and to the top of a mountain. The flat top is incredibly fuel efficient. I set the world distance record on it, 280 miles on less than 4 gallons. So the flat top is the shiznit. Very, very fuel efficient. I mean, look how much fuel I have left, and I just climbed the top of a mountain. So very, very cool. So hopefully should be jamming. Got a little funky weather going on. But so much right now, it's calm as can be. Little Cuban fiber tent, lightest material on the planet. Very, very slick. Or lightest, strongest waterproof material. This is too slick. Okay, here we go. This is a cool little tent. Love this tent. Alright, check out what we got in this bag. So first of all, one of the world's lightest down jackets. This thing weighs like ounces. Super awesome. Give it some fluffing. Down jacket. Just in case it gets a little cold up here, which I expect in the mountains. Freeze-dried food. Got me some spaghetti with meat sauce. Let's see what we got here. And down sleeping bag. And another water bottle. And some beef stew for dinner. Beef stew, there we go. This bag worked pretty darn well. That is pretty slick. Just straps right to the side of the flat top. along with the comfort bar bag, you're jamming. Look how I can almost sit up, or I can sit up straight in the tent. So there's quite a bit of room. All right, let's get this little bad boy going. This is supposed to take 20 to 30 blows here. Oh, there's a little duffel bag for it. Didn't even know it. This is brand new, just got it. Figured I had to better come up here and test it out. So we'll see how the Thermarest, or the new latest NeoAir, works out here. And oh, never even took out the patch kit. I got all the paper stuff here. That was 21 blows. Pretty good. And not too shabby. It actually works pretty nice. I like this little tent. This thing's freaking cool. It's totally awesome. You can get all this stuff at totallyawesome.com. Glock 40. This thing does damage. Super duper, world's most powerful ammo. Over 600 foot-pounds of energy. Underwood. Got to get you some of this Underwood ammo. It's serious stuff. So I hope no bear messes with me in the night, because I'm going to have a thing or two to say about it. Here we go. Nice little ankle holster. That actually works pretty good for flying. Nice small little package, but you got 11 rounds. 10 in the mag, 1 in the pipe. And of course, Swiss Army knife. Gotta have the Swiss Army knife, because then you got everything. Pliers, screwdrivers, you got it. Knives, you name it. So that's my little trick. Stuff the jacket or clothes into the stuff bag, and then I can use that as a pillow. That works pretty darn good. So there we go. Jacket in the stuff bag. Bingo. I got a pillow. That bag is pretty slick. So we made just a little cone bag to attach to the flat top up on top or the side. I actually used it on the side. That seemed to actually work a little better. And then you just got the little Velcros to attach it on, and you can fit stuff bags, tents, sleeping bags, jackets, all kinds of stuff in there. Water bottles with your food. That is very cool. Now this is just a 30-degree bag. So we're gonna see how she does, because that might be pushing it a little bit. It's still wintertime in the mountains. Sleeping bag. There we go, with a hood. Okay, I'm warm and toasty. That is nice. Very nice. Yep, time for some Guild of Heroes. So, I'm gonna have some fun playing some games. Nighty night. fly camping. Awesome. I was warm and toasty. The Dominator made a nice blanket, extra little blanket on top of my down sleeping bag. Too cool. Awesome. I gotta get up, get moving. Gotta get back home before church. I'm on top of a mountain. So awesome. No problemo. Look at that, too cool. That was an awesome time. Time to fly home, get back in time for church. Look at this. Now this is a place to wake up with your trusty flat top. Look at that view. Check that out. Wow. There's the tent, all done. And this down jacket, stuff's in there real nice. Also available from totallyawesome.com. One of the world's lightest down jackets. Very cool. It's like ounces. And it stuffs anywhere. You just pack it into any little tiny thing. It's about the size of a baseball when you pack it up. Ninja! Lots of power! Starting cold on top of a mountain. Lift up here. I'm soaring. Nobody's oversoared this direction before. Don't get up here without a flat top. Rob's not even turning. That was some good lift. Free flying! That's the cool thing about a paramotor. You can find lift anywhere, and if you happen to find some, man, you just let off the throttle or kill the motor and you can soar all day. Look at that. Got me some nice lift. Backwards. Coming sideways off the mountain. That's why it's a little funky, but it's working. This is the Dominator. We don't care about funky. We're all good. Look at that. Right there. Well, let's see if we can work a piece of this. Stay inside of this lift band. With a flat top, you can really weight shift better than any other unit. So when you get free flying, you can see how I'm totally leaning. Just weight shift the whole unit. Look at there, that's a different wind direction altogether. Now it's coming from the south. Back here would be a better spot. Yep, there it is. Alrighty, let's head out. Fly camping USA. Yeah, that is so cool. You gotta try that. Bingo, piece of cake. That's it. All my camping gear. Everything.